So first set life priorities and then focus on them. So what do I mean by when I am saying set priorities for life? See, when you are not sure why you do what you do, so you are not going anywhere. It means that you have no purpose clear. You have no clear goals in your life to achieve. But if you take a look at every legend from the history, so you will observe one thing common in all of them. They have one thing common, that they are the master of just one thing, and they are world class master of that particular thing. It could be like Sachin Tendulkar. He is a god of cricket. Lata Mangeshkar, Michael Jackson, Michael Jordan, or you name any. There are a lot of examples from history. You can just take a look at them, and when you study them, you will realize, okay, they have goals in life, they have purpose in life, and those are the people who are purpose driven. So like if we are like common, we are living like an ordinary mindset, with ordinary mindset, so we don't know what we do or what we should do because of our life priorities, they are not clear. So when I am talking about life priorities, so life's priorities are one of those tasks that you are good at, or you can be good at, or you are passionate about, or you can make yourself better at that level where you can become a world class. And when you become world class, like you can compete anyone. So being that competitive, that level competitive, so that you are competing, I mean you are competing people on world class level. Now how to become world class at just one thing? So the step number 1, first you have to find out what are the things that you are really passionate about, and then set it as a goal. Set your life's priority. No matter what it takes, you are going to do it anyway, even if you feel like to do it, or even if you don't feel like. But every single day you are going to spend time on doing that activity, and you can become a better version of yourself. I have just given you example of many successful people, that they are the master of one thing. So what is your one thing? What is the priority of your life? What is your goal around that priority? In how many days, in how many weeks, in how many months, what you can accomplish? If you can understand that, you win almost 50% of the game, I mean 50% of the battle. But most people, like from us, they even have no idea what is important for them, what is their life priority. So get that priority first and work on that priority every day, every single day. In life there are two types of tasks: low priority task and high priority task. I mean, low priority tasks are those tasks which you can say that is adding no value or little value in your life, in your personal or professional life. Let's say, so when you engage doing low priority task, you are wasting your precious time for doing something that is giving you back very little result. It could be like shopping. I mean, okay, shopping is good, but if you are shopping, like buying one shirt, and you are just shopping for 2 3 hours, 4 hours, just by wasting your time, at the end of the day you have to buy just one shirt. But does it worth it to spend 1 or 2 hours just to find one good shirt? I don't think so. There are many other tasks that are considered low priority tasks. It could be going to the market, changing bulb. I mean, these are important household tasks, but just think about it. Your time is very precious. So if you can avoid them, or if you can I can say, if you can delegate those tasks, delegate to someone else who can get that task better, who can get that task done better, so you can save a lot of your time, and you can put that time, energy, doing something significant. So people that are millionaire, billionaires, and people that are very successful in their field, they focus on just a handful of things that has a lot of value, that can give, that can give them better result. Not just doing like every kind of task. They don't engage in every kind of task. They are very, very selective about where they are spending their time, what task they are doing. If you are not sure what are the high priority tasks in your life, because of you are not sure your life's priority, so first understand your life's priority and spend most of your time doing those tasks. Just spend your time doing those tasks, and you can get faster result, better result. You can become competitive. You can take a look on every sports athlete, every successful business owner, every successful singer, dancer, musician. You will find out you will find out this scenario, that they are utilizing their time, effort, energy for doing important things that matters in their life, not just wasting their time watching TV. Although they do watch TV, but not that much. Although they are online, they use social media, but not that much. They just use it like for a few minutes a day, just just getting update what is happening on their social media handles. So be very, very clear what you are trying to do, what you are trying to accomplish, and then you can become a better version of yourself. No one can stop you, no one can compete you in your field, in your industry. The less task you focus, the less work you focus on, the better you can become, the stronger you can become. So if you are diverging your focus, like doing multiple type of tasks, you can do, if you are doing little bit of everything, you cannot do anything better, you cannot become better in anything. So if you just want to understand why I'm doing, if I'm recording here, yes, I am walking here outside, and there is peace, a little bit sound here and there. But if you can say why I'm recording this, after all, I'm sharing wisdom, knowledge. I am helping you so that you can understand, you can learn something new, you can learn something better, you can learn something new. Also, if I'm recording myself, so I'm getting better how to face a camera, how to talk to a camera like a friend, and not just like sound robotics. I have two choices spending this time. Either I can join a group of people, a group of friends, and I can gossip about anything. I can talk hours and hours there. I can spend most of my time there. But why I choose to come here alone and talk to in a camera? Because of it is building my confidence. It is improving my communication skill. Also, it is helping you. More than that, more importantly, it is helping you if you are watching this with patience. So it is helping you. You are learning something new. Maybe it is a new lesson for you, or maybe if it is not a new lesson for you, so maybe at least you are getting motivated, you are gaining some inspiration, okay, I need to focus on this and I need to avoid these things. So just have life's priority and focus few on fewer things, so that you can become a better version of yourself, one of the most competitive athlete, musician, business owner, digital marketer, YouTuber, podcaster, in which field, I mean, whatever the field you belong to. So just understand this and spend your time, spend your energy wisely.